What's up guys, I'm Maths here, and today we're all about the Venn diagram. We've got Edexcel to start us off, and this is question 1 on the Edexcel paper. Now, we've got to kind of understand what one of these symbols means, and I'll highlight it. The symbol here means, do it a little bit higher. The symbol here means everything. Everything that is in that set, and a set is like a group, is on our Venn diagram, okay? So everything fits in this rectangle here. Right. So we've got to understand that. Now the rest of it is pretty simple because first of all we need to label A and B. So I'm just going to label, if I choose the right pen, I'm just going to label this A and this B. Okay. And we just go through the numbers. So 3 is in A, but it's not in B. 9 is in A, but it's not in B. 15 is in both of them, so that goes in the middle. 21 is in A, and 27 is in A. What have we got left? We've got 5 and 25. So the ones in both groups or both sets go in the middle and the overlap, and the ones just in A go in A, and the ones just in B go in B. Simple. But it says that everything is the odd numbers less than 30. Okay, so we need to figure out which of the odd numbers less than 30 are not represented here, and they need to go outside the triangle, outside the circles, but inside the rectangle. So odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, there's quite a lot outside here, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Now we can check that by just adding them up and checking we've got all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we know there are 15 odd numbers less than 30, so we're happy. We've probably got this right. So it's the ones outside that are often forgotten. People focus so much on the ones inside the circles, and they forget about the ones outside the circles. So always make sure you remember those ones. There's another symbol we need to understand what it means, and that's this symbol here. Okay. So there's two symbols, well there's more than two symbols, but two symbols really that go between A and B in these kind of questions. And this one you sometimes get, and this one you sometimes get. So most people call that, or it is called, union. But I kind of think of it as or. Right? Now what union or does is it can be in the left hand one, can be in here, it can be in here, or it can be in the middle. Okay, either of those. This one here, I think I just put a line here and I remember it as and. Okay, now with that symbol, without that line in the middle, it's just this bit here, has to be both of them. So you just need to know which symbol you're using, and just putting that line there to remind me A for and has helped me out to remember them when I was younger. Okay, so this is saying A or B. So it doesn't matter if it's in A or B or both, but it just matters that it's there. So all of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 in total. 7 that are in A or B, and then we already know that there's 15 in total. Okay. Now we don't actually need to convert this. This is on calculator paper, so you could type in 7 divided by 15, but a fraction is absolutely fine as an answer. So AQA's question is a little bit more complicated. There's kind of fractions going about, and what's difficult here is you've kind of got two variables. You've got the male and female, and you've got the blue eyes, not blue eyes. And obviously with the Venn diagram you'll always have two variables if you've got two circles, but with this, the question is only talking about males in some and only talking about females in some, and females aren't actually in the Venn diagram in a circle. They would all be on the outside of the circle. And so there's a lot going on here. In fact, they will be, because they will still have blue eyes. So yeah, there's a lot going on here. So probably the way I'd start this is to draw a two-way table. And you don't have to, but I think probably it'll make things easier. Now for this two-way table, I'm going to have male and not male. And the way I can show that is male with a little apostrophe there, which basically means not male. And I'll have my total, and then I'll have blue eyes and not blue eyes, and then total. Okay. And I might as well just put some minor lines in, so it makes things a bit easier. Always try and be neat. Okay, let's use a different colour to fill it in. So we've got 42 male, so 42 males, and 44 females, which I'm calling not males. Okay, a third of male teachers have blue eyes. So we've got 42 male teachers, and a third of them have blue eyes. So we just need to divide that by 3, which will be 14. So we've got 14 in there. Then it says a quarter of female teachers have blue eyes. So a quarter of 44 will be 11. And then we can fill out the rest. So that would be 33. That will be 28. Then we've got 25. And that would be, 61? With a total of 86. Okay. Now this isn't necessary, but it's so much easier to answer this question with, because we can work out, first of all, we want this overlap here. So we want males who have blue eyes. So males who have blue eyes will be this one here. So 14 goes in there. Next, we want the ones who are males that don't have blue eyes, because the blue eyes ones would go in the middle. So that would be this one here, which is 28. Then we want the ones who have blue eyes but aren't males, otherwise known as females, right? So not male and has blue eyes is 11. And then on the outside is not male, it's not blue eyes. So that would be 33. Okay, simple as that. And so a two-way table just makes this question so much easier. Next question, or the last question for AQA, is one teacher who has blue eyes is chosen at random. Work out the probability that the teacher is male. We finish on a quite similar question from OCR. This first question seems really, really difficult. There's all sorts of things going on. But actually it's a really dead simple question, because it says there's 121 people altogether. 41 study, mathematics, 18 study physics, 35 don't study maths or physics, and we've got this x. What's left over? All you need to do on your calculator, I believe it's a calculator, yeah it is. So this is a calculator question, just do 121, take away the 3 we know, 35, 18 and 41, and what are you left with? Well, you're left with 27. How simple is that? Next question, one of the students is selected at random. Find the probability that students studies mathematics given that they study physics. We've just talked about this one. So the only thing that can happen is in this circle here, because we are given that they study physics, so we know they study physics, and this is 27 here, and that's 18, and so the probability will be 27 plus 18, so 45, is at the bottom, and we're looking to see whether they study maths, which is this middle bit here, so 27. Simple as that. Okay, and that's 3 nice simple marks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please click like. If you want to see more from us, we release videos every single weekday, Monday to Friday, at 9 o'clock in the morning. Click that subscribe button, click the bell icon, click all that lovely stuff to make sure you have the videos sent to you and notified of the videos. If you haven't already, which I'm sure you have, check out our website onmaths.com, which is full of completely free resources to help you with your study of maths. And there will be a card that magically appears above me now. Otherwise, thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow.